right here. We got the APEXFORGE Rotary accessory kit right here. Boom, 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 boom. The APEXFORGE, nice. Boom. APEXFORGE, Zayuza manual right here. All these pieces, 357 piece. The case is nice. Rotary tool accessory kit, nice handle. You got the clip right here. This is solid. Boom. There we go. Boom. Release, release. Dude, look at all those accessory tools right there. You got 2 layers of tools. You have all these sanding pieces right here. You have all these polishing brushes. You have amazing accessory kit right here. Look at the top part. You have all these grinding wheels. You got these drill bits right here. You have these carvers, engravers. You have the aluminum, the brass, the polishing brush. You have so many. 357 pieces. This is the APEXFORGE Rotary accessory toolkit. I like the case, dude. The case looks sick. I like it. There's so many pieces right here. 357 piece toolkit with a nice carrying case. Boom, boom, boom. Close it. Boom, boom, boom. The APEXFORGE 357 piece Rotary toolkit right here. This is a nice kit, guys. The Rotary toolkit for all your Rotary tool needs right here. 357 pieces. Oh, yeah.